Here is how to upload on Fancily. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can upload on Fancily. So let's start. First of all, go to fancily.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. In order to upload any photos or videos on the platform, you'll have to be a verified creator. Unless you have been verified as a content creator, you won't be able to upload anything such as photos, videos or even make posts. So make sure you have applied for the creator program and have been verified. If you don't know how to set up a creator account, we have already made a video on that topic. So you can go to the channel and see that video. However, in short, you can simply tap on your profile on the left. Then after tap on this become a model option. After that, fill up the application and complete the process. Now after you have become a verified model or a creator, you will get a creator tab on the interface. Now as you access the creator tab, you will get the option to upload videos or photos or post as you like. You can also set up various other filters such as who can see your post and other things. So basically, first of all set up your creator account, then after you can easily upload on Fancily. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.